Today I'm taking a look at the Azzunox portable ventilator with hose. It's kind of nice. So our hose is actually going to be one of those super flexible and very easy to pack away style. And that's going to wrap around and attach with a rope on the other end. We got our instructions. It says it is a 7-blade designed for indoor, 565 watts, 110 volts, 60 hertz, 2,971 RPM, 2,882 cubic feet per minute, or 82 cubic meters per minute, 16-foot duct, has 0.3 millimeters thick, 88 decibels, 120 PA for pressure, IP44 rated, 5.15 amps, 14.5 kilograms or 31 pounds, and a 2-meter power cord. So nice that they put all that information right there. Okay, so nice packing on everything. We don't have to worry about anything getting damaged. Everything looks brand spanking. We can see we got our 7 blades on that fan, and they do have guards on both sides to make sure that nothing's going to be crawling in there. We do have our carrying handle on the top, and we got our on-off switch there on the handle. Alright. That is pushing a ton of air. Very impressive. Does make a bit of noise, but if the primary purpose is just the extraction, that is going to be an awesome fan for that. So it looks like we do have some D-rings on here, so if we want to, we can hang that guy up. And then this is just going to wrap around the outside and just pull that string and tie that up.
It's pretty cool. Kind of interesting seeing this thing inflate like that, but yeah, that's got a ton of power. That's going to be an excellent way of doing it.